After we are born, we have been living the regular life what the society told us, right? After some time, it could be 20 years, 40 years, 60 years, doesn't matter, right? You come to a realization that, okay, this is what who you are and why you are here, and then start living the actual purpose of your life, right? So, okay, once you started living your purpose, how to know am I living the right way, right? I'll give you tips. The first thing is you will stop complaining about the world, right? And then the second thing is you will start respecting each and everything about your life, right? The conditioned mind always complains because we don't know what we're doing. But once we know everything, we start respecting everything. That's the difference.